Hello everyone. So this is a very short video today, and I will just go through something called as GitHub pages. So many times you have a small project, maybe a hobby project or just a static website, which has just some HTML files or maybe some JavaScript files. So instead of going for any costly cloud solutions, you can leverage this thing called GitHub Pages. So GitHub Pages is a static site hosting solution provided by GitHub, and it's pretty much free. You can use it for your public repositories. So typically for hobby projects for college students, this is something highly recommended. So even if you're doing any hobby project, so don't just limit it to your local machine. Put it out there on the server. Let people see it. Include the server URL in your resume. So, it's one thing doing the thing on your local, but if you can show the stuff out there, it can always help. Uh, so, anyways, as I said, there is no need to go for costly or complex cloud solutions if it's just a static website. You can simply use this GitHub pages, static site hosting solution. So, I'll just give you a walkthrough how you can do it. First, you create your repo, push your files, whatever. So I have just created this repo called experiment repo. I've just created one index.html file here. So once you push your code, so make sure you remember the branch in which you have pushed the code. So I have pushed my code in the main branch, and then you go to the repository in the GitHub, and then you go to the settings tab. In the settings tab, you will find an option called pages. Click on pages, and over here you will get a couple of options: GitHub actions and deploy from branch. So I would recommend go with the default one, deploy from the branch. And then over here you choose the branch. So for me it has been, by default it's the main branch, so I can choose the main branch here. And over here you have two options, root and docs. So I would prefer go with the root folder. So there are scenarios in which docs folder can be useful. Maybe we'll cover it in a different video. And once this entire thing is done, just click on save. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it will take some time, maybe few seconds or a minute, and then maybe you can refresh your page. So for me it's already published, but once you save and then refresh your page, your site, you'll get a message like this that your site is live at this URL. So just copy paste this URL, and whatever you have built is live on a server URL. uh, yeah, so don't limit your projects to your local machine, just put them out on the server. uh, and GitHub pages is a feasible option to do the same. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for further videos and updates. Thank you. Thanks a lot.